Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve one more question which is less than 500 rating, parity. Ashu and Arvind participated in a coding contest, as a result of which they receive n chocolates. Okay, so there is given a story of Ashu and Arvind that they have participated in coding contest. Okay, and as a result of which they receive n chocolate. So they receive n chocolate, and now they wanted to divide between them equally. Okay, and now they wanted to divide equally. And can you help them by deciding if it is possible to divide n chocolate between them? You just have to find out whether they are able to divide the chocolate between them or not. Okay, you cannot break the chocolate means you cannot break the chocolate into two or more pieces. So there is given a, so let's suppose uh, given Ashu okay, so Ashu and Arvind, okay, they Arvind have participated in coding contest. Okay, so they have given n chocolates, they both, including both. Okay, they given it n chocolates, and now you have to divide n chocolates among them. Okay, so you just have to divide n by 2, and the condition given that you cannot break a single chocolate into two pieces. Okay, you just have to give one chocolate to either Ashu or either Arvind. Okay, so you cannot divide the chocolate into two pieces. So let's suppose there is given a four chocolates, so you just have to divide them into two. Okay, let's suppose there is given a five chocolates, so first you have to give them 2 and 2, but you can't able to divide this chocolate because there is a rule that you cannot able to divide the chocolate into two parts. Okay, so you just only divide when there is even number of chocolates, even number of chocolates. And if they don't have even number of chocolates, for odd you just have to there no division possible, you just have to divide them equally. So in odd there is no possible. Okay, so not possible, so you just have to check if n is equals to even. Okay, if it is even, then you just have to return true, else you have to return false. Okay, so I hope you understand this code, means the pseudo code or explanation. You just have to check. Let's write the code here. So first you have to take the number of int t, which is number of test cases, and then you just have to take cnt while t minus minus is greater than 0. You just have to take integer x. Okay, you just have to check int x is an integer, and then cin x. Okay, if x modulo 2 is equals to 0, then you just have to do cout yes. Okay, and else cout you just have to do no. So I hope you understand this code. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.